Wouldn't it be fantastic if you could make money while you're sleeping? Isn't it too good to be true? But what if I told you it could be done? That is what passive income is all about. The good thing is that you don't have to reinvent the wheel when it comes to passive income ideas, and there are a lot of free educational tools available to assist you. But first, let's clear something up. The majority of passive income requires a significant amount of effort to establish. There are few methods to generate big money without putting in any effort. But there are many ways to make a lot of money over time by putting in the effort up front. Yes, it takes time and money to begin generating passive income. Money is invested, time is invested, and the majority of passive income streams require both. As you build up many passive income streams, your earnings begin to snowball with each additional investment. Because your passive income streams eventually bring in enough money to cover your expenses, you'll see more money pouring in every month. You've achieved financial freedom at that moment. You're no longer reliant on your 9-to-5 employment to make ends meet. You have the option of retiring in your 30s or in your 80s. So how do you begin investing all of your hard-earned cash? What are your passive income investing options? But before we begin, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel as well. Hit that notification bell button so that you will get notified whenever a new money-making video from our channel comes out. Also, share this to your friends and family so that you and everyone else will know this great tip to earn money. If you have any questions, concerns, or opinions about the video, just leave a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. The following passive income ideas will give you insight on what possibilities you may have. Most dividend-paying stocks pay only 1.5 to 3.5% in dividends, with only a small percentage paying high yields in the 6 to 8% range. You don't have to be an expert, so take advantage of the opportunity to learn, given that the dividends aren't guaranteed. If the company has a bad quarter, it may not pay a dividend at all, or it might go out of business totally. That is the risk you run with equities. Instead of trying to pick individual stocks, another option is investing in mutual funds and ETFs that specialize in high dividend yields. Try researching funds on either your investment bank stock screener, or you can use a free service like Yahoo Stock Screener. If you haven't opened an account yet with an investment bank, watch out for high fund management fees. When in doubt, invest in a passively managed low-cost index fund. Actively managed funds often charge high fees, which can eat up much of the fund's returns. According to Matthew Frankel of the Motley Fool, 92% of actively managed funds have underperformed the market over the last 15 years. Certificates of deposit (CDs) or certificates of deposit are about as exciting as late-night poker reruns on ESPN. However, if you want to park your money somewhere safe and insured by the FDIC, CDs can at least help you reduce your losses to inflation. Just be aware that CDs require a minimum deposit period, such as at least a year. Use CDs in conjunction with other investments when you need to set money aside in a secure place. For example, to store a tenant security deposit. If the alternative is parking it in a savings account, a CD can present an attractive alternative. Rent out storage space. Did you know 1 in 11 Americans pay for extra storage space? The self-storage industry is booming and has been for years. As passive income ideas go, the business model is a pretty simple one. While you could buy or build a full-scale commercial self-storage complex, that's not the only option. A company called Neighbor proclaims itself to be the Airbnb of storage. It's easy to turn your basement garage, spare office room, or even closet into passive income and a great side hustle, earning up to several $100s a month in New York City. They estimate a spare basement rental would generate almost $10,000 per year. Start a blog about what you are passionate and knowledgeable about. Share it with the world. No matter how small the niche, other people in the world share your enthusiasm. Did you know that there are blogs dedicated to sun gazing, the practice of staring at the sun and consuming your energy that way instead of eating? As you build your traffic, you can monetize your blog by mentioning affiliate products or services. Starting a blog might be the perfect side hustle. You can publish ads on the blog or sell your own products or services. You can do it on your own time. We build multiple passive income streams, meet new people, and unlock tons of new opportunities. It's also low risk but offers tons of income potential. Just remember, like traditional investing, a blog is a long-term play. You won't generate income on the first post you publish, but keep sharing good content and solid advice, and the returns will find momentum. Make money by watching TV. If you enjoy watching movies, television, or playing video games, there are several ways to turn this habit into a passive income stream. You can earn money by participating in official company surveys or watching specific programs through a website, or you can stream your activity on a streaming service or on YouTube. Video game streaming is also a huge business, and if it's something you enjoy, you can easily capitalize on that activity by creating an online course. Online courses have skyrocketed in popularity over the last 5 years. Once again, what are you passionate and knowledgeable about? If you love it, someone else does too. Online courses can be the perfect complement to your blog or podcast. You provide free content to attract the right prospects. Then offer a full-service, comprehensive, step-by-step digital courses for the ones who are ready to take the next step. Online courses are a tricky way to start if you don't already have a website. But if you've been building good content and attracting an audience through your blog or podcast, consider online courses as a way to level up your business with affiliate products and advertisers. That's all for today. I hope you learned something from this video and that I was able to help you find a new way to earn money online. As always, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel as well. Ring that notification bell button so that you will get notified for our next videos. Stay tuned for our next video, and I'll see you there.